Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to make this chili with crochet. So to make this chili I have used single crochet stitches, and with single crochet stitches I made total 33 round to get this shape and size. So let's see what all you need to make this chili. So to make this I'm going to use this thin cotton thread. I'm going to make 2 layers of this thread to give the thickness. To make the cap I'm going to use this green color thread. This is also a cotton thread, so I'm going to make 2 layers of this thread to make the chili. You will also need some fiber filling, and for this thread I'm going to use this crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. You will need one stitch marker, scissor and one needle. So before we start how to make this chili with crochet, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this chili. So I made 2 layers. If you are using a thick thread, so you just need 1 layer of that thread. Now first we are going to make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. If you want to learn how to make a magic ring, I have a detailed video in my previous videos. I will give you the link above. Now in round 1 we are going to make a 6 single crochet stitches in this ring. So make chain 1. Now make 6 single crochet stitches. So like this you will have total 6 single crochet stitch. So after 6 single crochet stitches, just pull this loose end to close this ring. So round 1 is done. In round 2 we are going to make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch from the previous round, and here we are going to work continuously. We are not going to join these 2 ends with slip stitch. So this is my very first single crochet stitch. Now take your hook in top of very first single crochet stitch, and here make 2 single crochets, 1 and 1 more, and 1 more in same space. So 2. Now put this marker in your very first stitch. Now in top of next stitch make 2 single crochets, so 1 and 1 more in same space, 2. So like this you have to make 2 single crochets in remaining stitch. So at the end of round number 2 you will have 12 single crochet stitches. In round number 3 we are going to make 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Now take this marker and put in your first stitch. Then after 1 single crochet in top of next stitch make 2 single crochets, so 1 and 1 more in same space, so 2. Now you have to follow these stitches. In next stitch make 1 single crochet, and into the next stitch make 2 single crochets, so like this you have to complete this round. So round number 3 is done, and at the end of this round you will have 18 stitches. Now from round number 4 to round number 12 we are going to make 1 single crochets in top of each stitch from the previous round. So 1. Now put the marker in your first stitch, top of next stitch, make 1 single crochet, then into the next stitch make 1 single crochet. So like this you have to make 1 single crochets and complete round number 4 to round number 12. So I've completed my 12th round. Now in round number 13 we are going to decrease these stitches. So take the front loop. Now take the front loop of next single crochet stitch. So you will have 3 loop in your hook. Grab this thread and pull through the first 2 loop in your hook. Now grab the thread and pull through the next 2 loop in your hook. So like this we have decreased 1 single crochet. Now put the marker in your first stitch. So after 1 decrease we are going to make 1 single crochet in next 16 stitches. So at the end of round number 13 you will have 17 stitches. So like this make 1 single crochets till your last stitch. So round number 13 is done with 17 stitches. In round now from round number 14 and 15 we are going to make 1 single crochets in top of each stitch from the previous round. So 1 in top of next stitch, 1 single crochet, then into the next 1 single crochet. So like this repeat these stitches and complete round number 14 and 15. So once you complete the round number 15, in round number 16 we are again going to decrease 1 single crochet. So the same as previous round we are going to decrease. So take the front loop of next single crochet, then take the front loop of next single crochet, grab the thread and pull through this 2 loop, then into the next 2 loop. So by that we decrease 1 single crochet, and then in remaining 15 stitches we are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 2. So like this make 1 single crochet till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 16 you will have 16 single crochet stitches. So 16 single crochets. Now in round number 17 and 18 we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch from the previous round. So like this make 1 single crochet till your last stitch and complete round number 17 and 18. So round number 18 is done. In round number 19 again we are going to decrease 1 single crochet. Put the marker first in your first stitch, so 1 decrease, then into the next 14 stitches make 1 single crochet. So like this make 1 single crochets till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 19 you will have 15 stitches, so 15 single crochets. Now in round number 20 and 21 we are going to make one single crochets in each stitch from the previous round. So at the end of round number 20 and 21 you will have 15 stitches. So make one single crochets and complete round number 20 and then 21. So round number 21 is done. In round number 22 make one decrease, then after one decrease into the next 13 stitches make one single crochet. So at the end of round number 22 you will have 14 stitches. So like this make one single crochet till your last stitch. So round number 22 is done and we have 14 stitches. In round number 23 we are going to make one single crochet in top of each stitch from the previous round. 1, 2. So like this repeat this stitches till your last stitch and complete round number 23. So round number 23 is done. In round number 24 again we are going to make one decrease and one single crochet in next 12 stitches. So make one decrease, then one single crochet in next 12 stitches. So at the end of round number 24 you will have 13 stitches. So 13 stitches. In round number 25 we are going to make one single crochets in top of each stitch. So at the end of round number 25 again you will have 13 stitches. So like this make one single crochet in top of each stitch till your last stitch. So 13 stitches. At this point we are going to stuff this gap with the fiber. So in round number 26 again we are going to decrease one single crochet. So one decrease. Now in next 11 stitches we are going to make one single crochet. So at the end of round number 26 you will have 12 stitches. So like this make one single crochet and complete round number 26. So round number 26 is done. In round number 27 again we are going to make one single crochet in top of each stitch from the previous round. So at the end of round number 26 you will have 12 stitches. So 12 stitches. Again we are going to fill this gap. So in round number 28, make one decrease. So after one decrease, into the next 10 stitches, make one single crochet. So at the end of round you will have 11 stitches. So round number 28 is done. In round number 29, make one decrease. After one decrease, in next 9 stitches, make one single crochet. So at the end of round number 29 we will have 10 stitches. So round number 29 done with 10 stitches. In round number 13 we are going to make one decrease. After one decrease, in next 8 stitches, make one single crochet. So at the end of round number 30 you will have 9 stitches. So round number 30 is done. Now in round number 31, again we are going to make one decrease. Now take the hook in both the loop like this, make one decrease. Here we have not taken the front loop, we have taken the both the loops. Now in next 7 stitches, make one single crochet. So at the end of round number 31 you will have 8 stitches. In round number 32 we are going to make one decrease. Again take both the loops of that next single crochet, pull this thread. Now take the hook in the next single crochet, grab the thread and pull through that stitch. Pull through first 2, then last 2, then into the next 6 stitches make one single crochet. So this is done. In our last round we are going to make one decrease. So one decrease, and into the next 5 stitches make one single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 6 stitches. pull this thread and cut with some margin. Now take the next stitch front loop and the opposite stitch the back loop and just stitch this to close this gap. Now take this needle in a center and secure this thread. Now we are going to make this cap. So to make the cap, first you make a ring. Now in this ring we are going to make 8 single crochet stitches. So chain 1, then make 8 single crochets. After 8 single crochets, just close this ring. Now in round number 2, top of very first single crochet, make 1 single crochet. Then top of next single crochet, make 2 single crochet. So 1, then 2, like this. You have to repeat these stitches. Next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then in top of next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So at the end of second round you will have 12 stitches. Now in round number 3, top of very first single crochet, make 1 single crochet. Then into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then into the next stitch, make 2 single crochets, 1 and 1 more in same space, so 2. So like this you have to repeat the stitches. In next 2 stitch, make 1 single crochet. Then into the next stitch, make 2 single crochet. So at the end of round number 3 you will have 16 stitches. So after 16 stitches, just top of first stitch, make a slip stitch. Now pull this thread, cut with some margin, and secure this end. Now we are going to make this loop. So this loop I made with double chain. I have shared a detailed video on how to make a double chain. I will give you the link. So with double chain we are going to make 30 chains. So 1, 2, so I made 30 double chains. Now take your this end, take your hook in very first stitch, now grab these 2 threads together and make a stitch. Now make chain 1, pull this thread. So with these 2 ends we are going to stitch this cap at top. So we have 1, 2 and 3 rounds. So here is 1, 2 and 3. So in 4th round we are going to stitch this part. So now just take your hook. Now take this needle in the center and take out from the 4th row. This. Now take this needle in any of this stitch. This. Now take this needle in next stitch. So here I have made this stitches. So this is done. I hope you have learned from this video how to make this chili with crochet. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. You can also connect to me through my Insta and Facebook page. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.